Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing from a company I met at the Microbrand festival. Shout out to the organizers and everybody there in Prague. Hopefully see you next November. So I talked to these guys. They had a really nice campaign of like a lock that you have to guess the number and on the lock, and if you guess the number, you get the watch that was locked inside. They're a small new micro brand from Germany. They make their watches in Pforzheim, so not too far away from where I live. And they focus only on mechanical Flieger watches. So their ethos is making watches for flying and, of course, daily wear. They created their first line, which is a 42 millimeter Flieger GMT, without any kind of, let's say, crowdfunding or Kickstarter. They have 3 color variants. We'll look into one color I have now, but you can check out the other ones online. And they're inspired from aeroplane, air travel, and exploration. So, enough talking. Now it's time to show you the watch. Nice packaging. The brand is called VIIS watch. So let's see here. And this is their Flieger GMT 42 Velebit. So this is the black dial. You get a white dial or a blue dial. So that's the 2 options you have. Has this Flieger kind of design. You get it also 2 options of black or brown leather. You get your guarantee card. I think it's a 2 years guarantee. And you get your instruction manual. So basically to check out how to adjust your watch. And the black dial is called Velebit, the blue dial is called Adriatic, and the white dial is called Levante. So take this box away. We'll go through the main functions of the watch. And let's start first with the dimensions. So the dimensions are as follow. From the name you can guess, 42 millimeter in diameter. Lug to lug width around 49, I would say. Thickness around 13.5, and lug width it's a traditional 20, tapering down to 18 millimeters. You have 316L steel case. You have this really nice Miyota 9075, which is not too loud, I have to say. They done a great job in because other Miyotas are really loud, I have to say. You can listen to the Miyota I'm wearing, and it's pretty loud. So you get a double curved sapphire, so double domed. So as you can see here, you have a dome up and dome down, so it's very legible, especially with this black dial. You have a screw down crown. Independent hours. So you can move here. Hand winding, sorry. Let's see if it hacks. It does hack. So you can change the time. Date jumps. You have the GMT hand that moves with the watch. And you can move here hours independently, which is quite nice if you're traveling and let's say you are now jumping 2 hours in front. You can just move the hours and keep the home at the GMT hand. This 9075 Miyota runs until 42 hours of power reserve as the GMT function, And with the screw down crown, you have 100 meters of water resistant, which I think is pretty good for a Flieger watch, especially if you want to take it on traveling. So let me take this watch off that I'm testing out also at the moment, and put this on my wrist to show you how it would look like. I have a 17 centimeter wrist. Need to go back to working out. Very legible. It has BGW9 Lume. So as you can see, it has abundant of lume on the hands. Not so abundant in the hands. Not so much on the numerals. We'll do anyways a lume check in a short video that I will upload and start of next week, so be sure to check that out. The date window is at 3 o'clock, as you can see. I like also that the hour and minutes end are cut, so you can see the minute track in the middle, like a type B kind of Flieger. And you have the 24 hours on the outer ring, so it makes it easier to read with the GMT hand. So now it's 10 o'clock, and you can read it's 10 o'clock here. The strap is a little bit hard, but I think with time it will go. You have signed buckle etched on the 316L steel as well. Like I said, it tapers down, so it looks good. It has here the logo, genuine leather, and as you can see, sapphire crystal in the back as well. Reference number, made in Germany. The company says it makes its watches in Pforzheim. Pforzheim is also like a very well-known city from the past, also for watchmaking and jewelry. You have also a signed crown. You have a kind of brushed radial finish or brushed straight finish on the case, polished chamfers, and then brushed lugs, brushed fixed bezel as well. Pretty cool watch if you like Flieger watches. Test it out for the next couple of weeks, and then I'll make a review video to let you know what I think about it. So anyways, if you do like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell button, and you will find 2 videos on the right and on the left that you might enjoy as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.